In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily import iMessages to new iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, and first off, head over to Settings and then tap right here at the very top at your name to open up Apple ID settings. Once it is done, tap where it says iCloud and then tap at Show All. That's where you can easily find messages. We need to get into messages, and now we need to ensure that this toggle button turned on. Once it is turned on, it will sync your messages to iCloud so you can continue your conversations from all your devices, including your new iPhone. So guys, once it is done, your messages will be synced with iCloud, and then all you have to do on your new iPhone is just log into your Apple ID in the same Apple ID account, and after a while all your conversations will be synced with your new device. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.